Kashmir for beauty, Andhra for duty, Arunachal for sunrise, UP for rice, Meghalaya for rain, Goa for beaches, Haryana for milk, Karnataka for silk. And when they all come together, it's India for everyone. Happy Independence Day, dear citizens of this glorious country. I, Akshata, your countrymate, welcome you all on behalf of Theresian family in this small gathering on this big day. We are so glad that you decided to share your precious time with us on this very proud day. And I would be your host for the upcoming next hour. I really don't think I need to mention it, but still, today we all have gathered here to celebrate 74 beautiful years of independence. On this very day, in 1947, we claimed ourselves independent from any foreign powers and established an independent nation. You know, the secret of happiness is freedom, and the secret of freedom is courage. And that's what our forefathers had. They struggled against many obstacles to give us the freedom that we enjoy today. So let us always bear them in our hearts and make this independence worth it. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just get right into the program with lots of joy, fun, dance, music. Dance is a form of expressive art, and when patriotism gets mixed with it, it's something on next level. So please welcome with a huge round of applause Pratham Gupta of 2nd class section A to show us his dance.
मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलू इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलू इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी अपना सीना ताने मंदिर कहाँ कहाँ रुकना है ऊपर वाला जाने पढ़ते जाए हमसे रानी जैसे एक दरिया तूफानी सर पे लाल टोपी टूटी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलू इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी
That was a power-packed performance, Pratham. You did a really great job. You made us want to come and join you too. Moving on, music is said to be a way to heaven, and our next performer planned to take us on a trip there with her melodious voice. So please put your hands together for Dhairya Gupta of 8th Standard, Section A.
Vande
Did the song end already? I know you guys are craving for more. Don't worry, we have got more in back for you. But before that, I would love to invite Umra Mehbood of 10th Standard, Section A, to share some words with us in a beautiful language, Hindi. So please put your hands together for her.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं सेंट थेरेसा स्कूल क्लास 10 की स्टूडेंट उमरा महबूद आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। यद्यपि आज हमें अपने विद्यालय में एकत्रित होकर ध्वजारोहण करने का अवसर नहीं मिला, परंतु आज भी हमारे हृदय में अपने देश और अपने वीर सेनानियों के प्रति उतना ही सम्मान और प्रेम भाव है। और इन्हीं देशभक्तों को सराहने के लिए आज हम ऑनलाइन माध्यम से आप सभी को इस महान दिवस पर संबोधित करते हैं और आशा करते हैं कि अगले वर्ष तक परिस्थितियां सामान्य हो जाएं और हमें एक बार फिर अपना राष्ट्रध्वज अपने विद्यालय में फहराने का अवसर प्राप्त हो। आज हम सभी भारतीयों के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। आज के ही दिन हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री ने पहली बार के लाल किले पर ध्वजारोहण किया और जन्म हुआ एक स्वतंत्र भारत का। हमारे असंख्य वीर सेनानियों ने दृढ़ निश्चय और संघर्ष से हमारे देश को गुलामी के 200 वर्ष बाद आज़ादी दिलाई। आज हम उन सभी को याद करते हैं जिन्होंने इस आज़ादी को हर भारतीय के लिए संभव बनाया। भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, महात्मा गांधी जैसे असंख्य वीर सेनानी जिन्होंने देश की आज़ादी के लिए हंसते हंसते अपना पूरा जीवन समर्पित कर दिया। आज हम उन्हीं की बदौलत आत्मनिर्भर बन रहे हैं और अपना भविष्य खुद तय करते हैं। आज़ादी के कई वर्ष बाद अब हमारा देश विकास के सही मार्ग पर निरंतर आगे बढ़ रहा है। हमारे देश ने शिक्षा, खेल, प्रौद्योगिकी, विनिर्माण, विज्ञान एवं अन्य क्षेत्रों में विकास किया है। आज हम हर देश के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाकर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। हमारे देश के स्त्री पुरुष कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर हर क्षेत्र में भारत का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं। हमने यह अपने वीर सेनानियों से ही सीखा है कि परिस्थिति चाहे कितनी ही कठिन क्यों ना हो, हम उसे अपनी मेहनत और संघर्ष से ज़रूर बदल सकते हैं। और शायद यह ही कारण है कि कोविड महामारी जैसे विकराल समय में भी हम रुके नहीं, बल्कि ऑनलाइन माध्यम से हर कार्य को आगे बढ़ाया और आज के दिन भी स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर अपने विचार लोगों तक पहुंचाए। आज हर भारतीय यह संकल्प लेगा कि सिर्फ आज ही नहीं बल्कि कभी भी किसी भी कठिन दौर में हम कभी हार नहीं मानेंगे और निरंतर आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे और अपने देश के विकास को हमेशा अपनी जिम्मेदारी मानेंगे और इसी दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ अपने देश को विश्व का महान राष्ट्र बनाएंगे। मैं कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ अपने संबोधन को पूर्ण करना चाहूँगी। गूंज रहा है दुनिया में भारत का नगाड़ा, चमक रहा है आसमान में देश का सितारा। आज़ादी के दिन आओ मिलकर करें दुआएं कि बुलंदी पर लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, Umra, for that splendid speech. You really inspired us. Moving on, did you guys know today we have two little angels here with us who are here to share their thoughts? So please welcome these two little angels, Avantika Mishra from 3rd A and Fateen Khan from 2nd B.
Good morning everyone. My name is Avantika Mishra and I am in class 3rd B. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today I am going to give you a speech on Independence Day. Jai Hind. After 200 years of British rule, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. It is celebrated with full enthusiasm and it is public holiday. On Independence Day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag on Red Fort. Independence Day makes us feel that we are one, that is Indians. Jai Hind! Good morning everyone, I am Fateen Khan from class 4th. Firstly, I welcome to everyone on this celebration of Independence Day. Today, I am giving to a speech on this wonderful day, Independence Day. In this National Celebration Day, we should all feel proud of being a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights. Education and the right to speech. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of the British government. They treat us like slaves and destroyed our money. But after all the struggle, with the help of our freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, and Bhagat Singh, etc., Indians fought for their rights and freedom. Almost 73 years ago, on 15th August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Great job, Avantika and Fatim. You guys were amazing. Now we can say that the future of India is in safe hands. Moving on, we have our next performers, Nandini Gupta from 7th grade, Section B, and Kavya Soni from 1st grade, Section B, who are both here to share their patriotism in the form of dance. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Good morning, Ashu. My name is Kavya Soni, class first B. Today I am going to dance.
London देखा, Paris देखा, London देखा, Paris देखा, और देखा जापान, माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान, सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान. मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, I love my India. ये दुनिया
That was terrific, now wasn't it? Thank you so much, Kavya and Nandini, for those elegant performances. Moving towards our next performance, we have perfect trio for music and singing. So please welcome with huge round of applause Shauram Gupta from 5th B, our pianist, and our two angelic singers Ayansh Tripathi and Ishita Mehrotra from 2nd B.
We love our country. This is for you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ayansh Tripathi. I am going to present the poem. भारत मेरा प्यारा देश, हर देशों से न्यारा देश, हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई भाई मिलकर रहते सिख ईसाई, इसकी धरती उगले सोना, ऊंचा हिमगिर बड़ा सरोना, सागर धोता इसके पाँव, है इसके अलबेले गाँव. जय हिंद. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishita Mehrotra. I study in class 2nd B in St. Teresa High School. Now I sing that song. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. Jai Hind, Happy Independence.
What a melodious act, guys. Great job. Taking a step forward into the program, I would love to invite Ayushi Singh of 10th Standard, Section B, to awaken more patriotism inside us with her words. Please put your hands together for her.
I, Ayushi Singh, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. In this day of independence, let us remember how our country, India, has set an example to the entire world by means of assertive freedom struggle. We may not be wealthy, powerful in the world, yet we are recognized as good human beings in our great country. Everything in the world changes, but not the principles and human values. India is known to be a great country that follows these principles and human values. Let us thank our great leader who fought for our freedom assertively and for setting us a good example. Let us thank our country for making eminent researchers, especially Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was even made the President of India. Such level of recognition indicates how our country
was really inspiring, Ayushi. Thank you so much for your splendid words. Next up, we have Aksa Nazim with her music video and creative hand drawings. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause.
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।
That was an awesome video. You guys agree with me, right? Moving on to our next performance, we have Akshay Bahut from 5th Standard, Section A, who's here to entertain us with her beautiful dancing steps. Thank you so much, Akshaya, for your graceful dance. After this awesome performance, we have another awesome performance lined up for you by Swati Singh of 10th A, who's planning to leave us all speechless with her melodious voice. Please put your hands together for her.
दीवारें ऊंची हैं, गलियां हैं तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग। दीवारें ऊंची हैं, गलियां हैं तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग। पाँव पर छाले हैं, सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चले हैं आजादी की जंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। रेती की जंजीरें खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग। जमाना चले ना चले मेरे संग, बोलेंगे हर आवाज दबंग। बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। रीति की जंजीरें खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग। जमाना चले ना चले मेरे संग, बोलेंगे हर आवाज दबंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। चोटें जिस्मों पर मरहम उमंग, लाश नहीं हूँ पर जिंदा पतंग। दिल में उम्मीदें और खुशियों के रंग, हर आंसू बनेंगे एक नई तरंग। बेखौफ आजाद है बहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। दीवारें ऊंची हैं, गलियां हैं तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग। पाँवों पर छाले हैं, सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चले हैं आजादी की जंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे।
3.
Thank you. Wish you a very, very happy Independence Day to all.
Wow, Swati, you really did leave us speechless with that amazing voice of yours. Moving towards our next performance, we have Netra Jaiswal of 2nd A and Dhaira Gupta of 8th A. They both are here to share their poetry on this occasion of Independence Day.
संतों को श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करती हूँ। जिन्होंने हंसकर दे दी जान, बढ़ाई भारत माँ की शान, तिरंगे का रखा सम्मान। मैं तुझसे पूछूं हिंदुस्तान, बता दे मेरे हिंदुस्तान, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए। क्यों शहीद की बहन बेइज्जती लाल किले पर जाए, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए। बढ़त रहे थे जिनके मन में देशभक्त के शोले, कितने सुंदर कितने सच्चे कितने मन के बोले। दूल्हे जैसे लड़ते थे वो पहन बसंती चोले, अपनी दुल्हन आजादी है जाते जाते बोले। कि जिनकी मौत बनी त्योहार, युगों तक होगी जय जयकार। कब्र से ऊंचा है किरदार, धरा पर आए थे अवतार। फांसी की वरमाला पहने, फांसी की वरमाला पहने, जो मंद मंद मुस्कुराए, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
Dhari and Netra, that was amazing. You both delivered absolute awesome poems. Remember, guys, when I told you that we have more in back for you? Here come Deepika Gautam of 7th P and Anandi Sharma of 9th P, who are here with another mind-blowing dance performance. Wow, I'm still wondering how you both did so well with those performances of yours. You guys are do right? Well, one step at a time, we have come closer to the ending of this program. But before that, I would love to welcome Reverend Father Paul D'Souza, the head of our Theresin family, to encourage us and inspire us with his words. Please put your hands together for him.
Good morning, everyone. Dear parents, staff members, and my loving students. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free country and to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. On this auspicious day, I wish you all happy Independence Day. A day to remember our martyrs, our freedom fighters, who laid their life in order to free our country from the clutches of British rule. They sacrificed their life so that we may have happy and prosperous life. 75 years, we have excelled in all the fields, areas, but we need to excel in humanity. Today, we see we are made to fight in the name of religion. We are made to fight in the name of caste. Corruption is increasing day by day. There is inequality in our society. Rich are becoming richer, poor are becoming poorer. Therefore, we need to ask ourselves, what is my responsibility towards my country? What is my responsibility towards my brothers and sisters? As Abraham Lincoln said, do not ask what country has done for you, but ask yourself what you have done to the country. Dear parents, I humbly request you to spend quality time with your children, knowing them, loving them, guiding them, molding them to become good human being. Once again, I wish you all happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Father. We are feeling really inspired and encouraged because of your words. Well, now, one step at a time, we have come closer to the very ending of this program. But before we conclude this program, I would love to say something. After all these years of independence, somewhere, somehow, we all have started taking it for granted. And we shouldn't. So here's my deal. If you ever start taking it for granted, just ask yourself this one simple question. What if? What if this day didn't even exist? What if 74 years ago our forefathers didn't achieve independence? What if we were still under the control of foreign powers? Then neither you, neither me, neither our loved ones, none of us would have been here, independent. So, if you ever start taking it for granted, just ask yourself, what if? Thank you so much for joining us today. We'll be concluding now. I again thank you on behalf of whole Theresin family. Happy Independence Day. Stay safe.